Welcome to Week 3. We'll turn your outline into a substantive draft, verify facts, and run 3 clean revision loops. Part A, Outline. Scene 1, 10 to 12 minutes 1. Paste last week's best outline at the top of your doc. 2. Copy-ready prompt. Draft Scene 1, 350 to 500 words, following my outline. Keep voice consistent. Show, don't tell. Return only Scene 1-3. Paste output under draft, Scene 1. Bold 2 favorite sentences. Part B, dialogue and description passes, 8 to 10 minutes. Prompts. Punch up dialogue, increase subtext, reduce filler words, keep character voices. Add sensory detail in 2 key places, sight, sound, smell. Keep it subtle. Paste adjusted paragraphs beneath the original. Note what improved. Part C, Research Integration, Provenance Table, 8 to 10 minutes. Claim detail source, title/URL, author year verified, YN, evidence, where found. Notes, DERS, DERM, use S-C-H-O-L-A-R.google.com to verify at least 3 facts. Revise any inaccuracies. Mark verified equals Y. Part D. 3. Revision loops, 10 to 12 minutes. Loop 1. Structure, copy ready. List structural fixes only, no rewrite. Apply by reorganizing. Loop 2. Clarity. Suggest concise edits to improve specificity. Keep my voice. Apply by editing lines. Loop 3. Voice polish. Point out tone drift. Propose alternatives that match earlier sections. Apply, fix grammar/flow. Deliverables. Draft Scene 1, 350 to 500 words. Dialogue, description improvements. Provenance Table, 3+ entries verified. Final scene after 3 loops. Reflection, 6 to 8 lines. What each loop changed? Excellent. You just combined drafting, truth checking, and professional revision. Save everything for Week 4.